My name is Joon Kim, and I'm an oculoplastic surgeon here at the Moran Eye Center. I love being outdoors. I love to ski. I'm not very good at it, but I'm hoping to improve. When I was younger, one of my favorite hobbies was doing black and white portraits of people. Gosh, it would take me so long to get every detail right, especially around their eyes. And that's what I get to do in my specialty. I basically get to study your face and get every detail right. Oculoplastic surgery encompasses everything from birth defects around the eyes, to the aging process and how that can change your face, to trauma, eye socket issues, to cosmetic things like dealing with wrinkles. I see a lot of patients that are going through major changes in their life, especially for cosmetic consultations. I just want them to know that this is a partnership and that I am with them by their side throughout their journey. I also perform a lot of pediatric oculoplastic surgeries, and one of the most common is a child born with a droopy eyelid. For a consultation, they come in and they're usually very withdrawn and shy. They don't like to make eye contact with you. And then once you do the surgery, they return for their follow-up. And they might still have their little protective shield on. They're still swollen and bruised from their surgery. But it's amazing how different their social interactions already are. And I see that a lot when I do my global work as well. It really changes their personality. You see that often, and it feels incredible every time that you get to be part of that.